Welcome, everyone, to today's style session. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to explore the essential do's and don'ts for men's fashion. Whether you are new to fashion or a seasoned pro, there is always room for improvement. So, let's get started. First, let's dive into the do's of men's fashion. Do invest in well-fitted clothing. Whether it's a suit, shirt, or jeans, a great fit is the foundation of a stylish look. Do build a versatile wardrobe with timeless essentials like white shirts, classic denim, and neutral-colored blazers. These pieces will serve you well for years. Do accessories smartly. A well-chosen tie, watch, or pocket square can elevate your outfit and show attention to detail. Do prioritize grooming. Regular haircuts, skincare, and maintaining facial hair can make a world of difference. And finally, do wear your clothes with confidence. Confidence is the ultimate accessory that can make any outfit shine. Now, let's explore the don'ts of men's fashion. Don't overdress for the occasion. It's essential to match your attire to the context. A tuxedo at a casual gathering? Not a great idea. Don't ignore the details. Wrinkled clothes or scuffed shoes can ruin an otherwise fantastic outfit. Pay attention to the little things. Don't mismatch colors haphazardly. Learn the basics of color coordination to create harmonious outfits. Don't go overboard with logos. A subtle logo can be stylish, but an outfit plastered with logos can look tacky. And lastly, don't neglect shoe care. Clean and well-maintained shoes are a must for any fashionable man.